Hey guys, Alicia here. I was originally going to do a video on an update on iPicky and the features, but they are still working to restore some of those features. So I was going to show you how to add sparkle to one of your designs. And it really does need to be on a darker background in order to achieve that look. Now you can make this as wall art, you could make this as a greeting card. It all depends on how you want to do it, how you want to create it. Okay, so I just typed right here, she leaves a little sparkle wherever she goes. And is what I'm going to do, and there's several different ways to do this. I could export it to the editor and do the background, but I'm going to use LunaPic. Most of you know that I'm a fan of LunaPic. So is what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover this with some brushed metal foil. And I'm going to cover all of this completely because it is in black, and you can kind of move this around however you like it. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click to lighten. Okay, so this is giving us exactly what we are needing. We can even tilt this a little bit so that the lines aren't just so directly through. We just want to make sure that it is covered. Okay, so now I'm going to save this to my desktop. And one of the new things I've noticed about iPicky.com, it used to give you a spot to change it, and now it's not. It throws it down here in the bottom left-hand corner, just like just about any other site that you would use. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that up, and now I can save this. Even though it's already downloading it, just for the purposes of this video, I am going to go ahead and save this, save as, and I'm actually going to save this as a JPEG and also to my desktop. Okay, so we have that part. Now, I'm going to go ahead and close this. And we're going to hop over here to lunapic.com, and I'm going to upload this file to take out the white background. Okay, so I have a feeling that some of these places in between might need a little. So I clicked on that once. And I need to click apply, and I need to go back in between these little bitty places, and I know it's kind of annoying to do it this way. There are several other sites that you can use, like remove background. I've done videos on those before, so that you don't have to watch me going through this, I will pause it until I have completely finished. Okay, so I have just finished taking out the entire background on this, and now I'm going to go to File, Save Image. We're going to save it as a PNG transparent background because we're going to do something with that here in just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this up, and here it is right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save this to my desktop, And I just want to make sure that I do save it as a PNG. So we're going to go ahead and save that. Okay, so we can go ahead and close out of this because we have already saved it. I usually do close the image in LunaPic to be ready for the next one if I'm making multiple things. Okay, so now we're back here in iPicky. We're in the designer. And I'm going to click here and I'm going to make an 8x10, just like that was an 8x10. The words were in an 8x10. And I'm going to change the canvas color. And I'm thinking that I really want to pick like a darker blue, almost like a navy. And I think I'll stick with that. And we're going to click create. So here is our platform. Now we need to upload what we just created, the transparent background, and we want to make sure we do the PNG. Okay. And I'm going to drag this over here, and I'm going to move this until I get this how I would like it. Okay, and I think I'm kind of liking this. Now, you can purchase on Etsy directly. You can probably get them elsewhere. I like to support other Etsy sellers. So I'm going to go ahead. I've already uploaded them. You can barely see them. So if you drag this over, it gives you a little bit of twinkle there. And you can move this around just a little bit. So there's a little bit of twinkle there. And we can also add another one down here at the bottom. And there we go. Now there are different ones that I have. I think this one here is different, so we'll just see what it looks like. And I kind of think I like this one better. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on this and delete the layer. Right click on this, delete the layer. And then I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. And I'm going to add it up here at the top. Okay, and I'm loving this. Okay, and then I'm going to right click on here. And I'm going to duplicate this. And I'm going to also pull it down and add it down here. Now, we can get as creative with this as we want. But I'm really liking this. And I'm almost wondering if I should put that here because that's the sparkle, the word sparkle. And I think I kind of like this. So there we go for this video. This is something that you could once again use as wall art. You could use it as a greeting card. You could use this on just about anything that you would like. Now, as far as printing, I would print it like a JPEG because then it's going to print just like a photo. So if you took a photo of the sun and you got sort of like this effect right here, that's what would come out on the photo if that's what you printed out. So anyone worried about the printing aspect, I would not worry so much. You can also use your fonts however you would like. And sometimes I just keep playing around with things. So there we go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to be on a roll here lately. I'm just waiting to do the iPicky updates as they come along. We still don't have full features of the like painter tool, the cartoonizer. We don't have any of those, but we do have the fonts now. So like right here, if you go to fonts, if you click plus, this is where you can add all of your fonts. I would say just add what you can as you need them, which is what I've been doing. And I also wanted to recommend font bundles. Make sure to check out font bundles and their free fonts. So let's go to fontbundles.net. And I was logged in. Okay, it still has me logged in. Okay, so always check here on free fonts. And that's where I downloaded some today. I really liked it was like the Mocha. I downloaded that font. But if you see a font on here that you just absolutely love, you can click on page 2. I just wanted to show you that these are free for commercial use. Okay, here was the one. It's the Mocha Frappuccino font. It was completely free. So if I click on this, it tells you right here, this free font comes with our premium license, which allows commercial and personal use. So always go and check out the font bundles if you're wanting to upload new fonts that are for commercial use to your iPicky. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.